Now dear student, we are going to solve question number 6.23. In this question it is given to you a family uses 8 kilowatt of power. Clear? A family uses 8 kilowatt of power. Fine. Direct solar energy is incident on horizontal surface at an average rate of 200 watt per square meter. Okay, fine. So now listen carefully. Let's suppose we are saying, we are assuming area that is capital A. Clear? So it is given here incident energy that is 200 watt per square meter. So we can calculate here total energy. Clear? So total energy, this is given by 200 A. Clear? Now it is given only 20% of incident energy is useful for electrical energy. So total energy useful, we can say this is given by 20% of 200 watt. Clear? So we can say 200 A. So 20% of this much amount of energy that is useful. Clear? We can say this one cancelled out. So from here we can say this is 40 A. Clear? Now actually we can say total energy that is incidenting on the surface, this is 8 kilowatt. Clear? So I can say 40 A, this should be equal to 8000. Clear? So we can write like this one and this one cancel out. So area A, we can say this is given by 200. Clear? So 200 meter square. Clear? So first part is asking to you how large an area is needed to supply 8 kilowatt. So definitely I can say 200 meter square area that is required. Clear? Now it is also given in part number B, compare this area to the roof of a typical house. Clear? So let's suppose I am assuming we don't know, let area of a plot on which the house is built, I am taking 20 into 15 meter square. Let's suppose 20 multiply 15 meter square we have. So let's suppose we have total area 300 meter square. Clear? For example. Clear? And let's suppose actually roof is having only 70% of this total area. Clear? So I can say total area available. I am just taking for example. Clear? So 70% of total area, it means I can say 7 by 10 into 300, and I can say this is equal to 210 meter square. Clear? So for a typical house, let's suppose this is the area that is available. Now in this question it is asking, compare this area to roof of a typical house. Clear? So I can say here we are getting area 200 and here we are getting 210. So if we find here A by A dash. Clear? So directly I can say 200 divided by 210. So from here we can say we are getting this area 20 by 21. Clear to everyone? So this is all about this question.